All right, hi, MaddScrappers. Hello, hello, hello. I'm giving you a new view of the crafting corner of madness. This is the other end of the room I've been in now for, gosh, a couple months now until we all settle in here into Nan's house. But I wanted to show you, this is the last of the HSN Craft Day. I think that's the top of the box. Okay, so this is the WeR Memory Keepers card. So I figured I'd open this up with you guys here so you can see me in all of my crocked and ripped up jeans and Old Navy top glory, and my hair is somewhat and all brown boring. I'm not happy about that. Have I said anything about that? Yeah, no, I'm not liking it. I like my sister loves it. Very, very happy that I am normal. Not having it. The minute I can confirm that my hair has stopped falling out, you guys are going to see the teal, the purple come back. Because that's me. This is all my madness. So, okay, so I love how they pack these things. God, love them. It's a box inside of a box. Jeepers. Oh my goodness. So, first we got to get that box open. And now, let's see if I... there we go. Now we have another box. Wah! Please, Lord, please. Does this not come with some assembly required? I'm sure it is. I'm betting money that I am going to have to assemble this. I have been actually eyeballing and wanting this for a while. I've even contemplated buying it at Joann's. And HSN finally got me. So they got me this time because they brought it down 20 bucks. But there's a part of me that thought, you can wait longer, you can wait longer. I bet you they bring it down more. Maybe. But what I will is be good about letting you guys know if it goes down. Just because maybe somebody else can enjoy the sale price. But I went ahead, they had me, and it was like $49.95 and the $5 shipping cart. So hello, it was so worthwhile. Okay, so yes, some assembly is required. I'm just letting you know, so we're going to pull out really quick. It does come. I have to put this tag together. And nothing is coming out easy. It's like, holy cow. Okay, so these are obviously hardware and things that hold the trays up. So I'm assuming now that I got something out, nothing is going to come out anyway. Nothing is going to come out easy except for the bag. But I want to show you this real quick. At least I want to pull it out. And then we will just assemble this, and maybe, I'll put some crazy music because I'm not going to assemble this live. Oh, look! The instructions. Bonk. So, yay. I mean, I need a screwdriver. I need an Allen wrench. And I'm hoping that Allen wrench is in that package of stuff that just fell at my feet. So, but other than that, I mean, I don't think this is going to be really difficult to put together. I did the other one. I can do this too. Stop wanting to fall. So what I will do is I just want to show you this real quick, and we will assemble it. I'm really excited. I'm wanting to use this as a project tray. Just, I don't know why, I just wanted it. So there you go. We're going to have this. So let me get to the business of assembling this, and we'll be right back and talk about what I'm going to do with it exactly. All right? Bye. All right, my MaddScrappers. I'm not going to go into the gory details of how many times I had to put in the tray supports and pull them out and put them in again and pull them out and put them in again and pull them out and put them in again because I kept putting them in the wrong direction. I don't even know. It's a special talent. The instructions weren't super clear, of how. I had a hard time, no words. And I understand why they do no words because, they're all in Chinese, so they can't speak English anyway. But I got this puppy put together. Yes, some assembly is required. Also, a level of intelligence and coordination. Just saying, okay? So, needless to say, we don't have this all in abundance, but it's put together and I like it. So, I mean, the casters work great. I mean, look at that. I can just, with one finger spin it. So, it's, okay, maybe it takes two fingers to get it to spin, or it just, crashes. Whatever. But I love it. This will help me to organize projects or set up, for things that I want to do. But the trays come off and then they kind of slide in. They slide into place this way and then they stop. There we go. So I am jazzed. So that's what they're going to be. They're going to be now project trays so that I can now organize myself. I think that'll help me to get more videos out and everything, yada, yada, yada. So, I mean, we shall see. But I love it. Once you figure it out, it really is not that hard to assemble. But my gosh, it's coordinating. And if you guys, anybody that gets these, what I recommend you do is you do the top one and then the bottom one, because that will hold everything in place, and then you can put the other ones. Just make sure, and I'm taking a video just so you can see how these are supposed to be, so that you don't sit here like me and literally redo the same ones 3 times, because you did put them in right and then you thought you put them in wrong, and and then you have to take them out and put them in right because you had started that way in the first place. You know, I'm my own kind of special. But I just wanted to share this. This is a quickie because I was going to share the assembly, but oh my gosh, it's humiliating. So we're just, it's like it. And then finally, ultimately, Steve called. I could hear him calling over on Messenger, so I had to stop the video to answer that call, and I just gave up on, oh, you guys don't need to see this. So there you have it. That is the WeR Memory Keeper cart. I love it. So we will, maybe later on I'll come back with a little follow-up video to show you how I'm actually using it. All right, guys? So meanwhile, I'm going to leave you now. If you like this video, give me a like and drop me a note. And if you want to see more of my madness, trust me, after this thing, there's tons. I mean, if you want, I could show you the video and you would say, oh my God, this woman's a crazy woman. Then by all means, ring the bell and, subscribe and ring the bell. And I will be here with more of it. All right. So meanwhile, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go get a bite to eat. I'm hungry. Talk to you guys later. Have a great one. Bye.